What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons. This is the show where I take a look at some of the really cool projects that you guys have been building and congratulate the black belt recipients and show off their projects as well. This week we are sponsored by F&F, but a little bit more about them later on in the video. Let's dive into your projects and let's see what you have been building. Here we have Max S2's amazing maze game. Let's check this out. All right, so let's play. Okay, ooh, I like the color of the ball. Okay, so I get, wait, zoom in, what just happened? So if I go down, I'm gonna collect the star down here. Okay, got it. Okay, let's go ahead and come around here. Regular old maze game, nothing to worry about, nothing to see here, folks. Wait. If I touch the wall, it sends me back to the start. That is a super cool touch and makes the player be careful as they go around the maze. The movement feels awesome, and this right here is just evil, Max. This is just evil. I still can't do it, but I don't know what you expected from me. I'm not a pro gamer, I'm not Nerdcroft, but anyways, let's check out the next project. Parker B. This blog is awesome, and the thing that blows me away the most about this is it was built using Django. That's right, this blog is a database-driven website, so you can log in and actually create a post on the blog, which is awesome. The CSS you added in here is gorgeous. This little slant right here, this little cut through right here is like gold standard amazing. Awesome job, Parker. Aiden K1. Aiden K1. Star Wars Archive. So this is a top level JavaScript project. I can enter in any name of a character in Star Wars and it'll come up. Let's see. We got Luke Skywalker. Boom, hit enter. There's Luke Skywalker. I can add in more, or I can see more information about him, and I can favorite it and it gets saved to my favorites in local storage. So the next time I come back, I can click on favorites and boom, they're right there. This is so good. This is such a cool idea to use an API for your site. I love this. I want more API sites to do things like this. This is amazing. I'm blown away. Incredible job. Before we congratulate all of the amazing black belt recipients this week, let's thank our sponsor, F&F. Friday night French fries. Are you still eating French fries on Mondays? What is wrong with you? You're doing it wrong. With Friday night French fries, you get French fries delivered hot and crispy to your door on Fridays. They are scientifically designed to only be eaten on Fridays. You try to eat Friday night French fries on a Wednesday and your mouth is gonna explode. If you eat Friday night French fries on a Friday, it will improve your weekend by 30%. You can go to FridayNightFrenchFries.netlify.com, enter the offer code Hackingtons for a free bag of salt. Friday night French fries. Eat right. Now let's congratulate and show off our black belt recipients for this week. Congratulations to Daria on your black belt in HTML. This portfolio looks awesome. Congratulations to Sufian with another black belt in HTML. Awesome job. This looks amazing. I would just change this text right here. Really hard to read on this background image, so maybe swap those out. Congratulations again to Sufian. Awesome job on your Scratch game. And Sufian, again on your Python black belt. You built this site using Django. It's a database-driven site that you can log in and log out of. That is amazing. I want more posts though. I want all of the superheroes. Thanks for watching the best of. Go out there, build something amazing and post it to the showcase. That's where I get these projects, and go above and beyond and maybe earn a gold star, and you have a way higher chance to end up on this video right here and get called out in front of everybody for it because you are an amazing developer.